taking a video of Miranda. And right now, tomorrow my mom is supposed to go to a Mariners game with her boyfriend. And on Sunday, we're supposed to just like stay home and relax.
Yeah.
Nothing all that fun. Miranda's so weird.
She's making some like really high-pitched noises.
Yeah, she's playing with the dog. Bailey. She's getting exercise.